going on, everybody? Wind noise is probably terrible, but I'm back working at Eric's. We're done pretty much on this whole drain line we put in. We did a French drain up at the top here. So you lay the pipe with the holes in it and the wrapping, and then put the other thing in the dirt. I don't know, I'm not a contractor or a plumber or any of that stuff. But basically you put sleeves over it that you need, stuff. Oh, it's gone. Sleeves over it, rocks on it. It's got holes on it facing downwards. We ran the pipe all the way down, and now we're just cleaning up, watering everything down. You guys saw us, had it all dug up yesterday. It's like 360 feet of pipe. I'm coming in hot, oh Jesus.
Is that all the way up, the pressure?
Yeah, I think so.
You want to see if there's a kink? Let me get some soda.
Yeah, here.
Weak. It's so weak.
There you go.
It's so weak.
But, oh shit, wrong way.
It's so weak.
It's coming out right here. Thank you. Somebody laid dead palm trees here because they're losers. But, drain comes out down here, all the way at the end of the driveway. That way this doesn't get washed out. Check this thing first. This golf cart has been literally my best friend. Everything looks good here. Keep on going on, see what we got. Alright, you guys get this video to 5,000 likes. We'll jump the golf cart off that kicker ramp down there. I'll personally do it. We'll build a landing and everything. Run it down the hill and up and launch it. I'm down. But 5,000 likes is a lot. That'll be more than any video I've ever posted, so crank this bad boy all the way open. See what he's got. Let's go see what Eric thinks of the idea. I mean, it is his golf cart, but you guys are gonna have to share this with your friends, you know? See how fast we can go. Huh? That's it. Eric, I told him if they get this video to 5,000 likes, I'll jump the golf cart off the kicker ramp.
Down.
Yeah?
Do that, yeah.
You guys heard it. You guys gotta make that happen though. You gotta like, share, do all your good stuff, share with all your buddies.
Follow me.
And you gotta follow Eric. I'll put his Instagram right here. It is his golf cart, his house, his ramp. But yeah, I figured we'll put it right at the bottom of the big run up so that way we can get maximum speed. We'll just jump it into something. Maybe we'll jump it right into the back of my truck. Right in the bed, just park it. But yeah, make that happen and we'll do it. We'll do it.
They see Rory rolling. Y'all boys see that? That's a Chevy Radiator, like a rock.
That's how we do it, baby. Alrighty guys, it's getting, what? Oh. Alright guys, it's getting late. It's starting to storm here in SoCal, so I think we're gonna call it quits for the fun today. See a little work, got to see us destroy a radiator and play with the Mini X for a little bit. So it's getting cold, it's getting windy, it's getting crazy, but that's gonna be a wrap for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up, you know, get it to 5K and we'll jump the golf cart off something, that kicker or whatever. We gotta fix it first if we do. But yeah, like I said, if you guys enjoyed it, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, please smash that subscribe button and stay tuned to the channel. We've been doing a lot more fun stuff around here. A little bit of work, a little bit of showing you how to do stuff, a little bit of truck stuff. We got more stuff coming soon, so yeah. See you guys later.